Come here, you typical 2 minutes.
Alright, Romeo, we got 22 seconds, okay? Well, much more time. Yo, I wanna get the marshmallow pickaxe, by the way.
What the challenge?
Them have challenges for it?
A marshmallow challenge in the feed, and you get an emote too.
Yeah. Well, isn't that lovely? Alright, let's go. Alright, 500 thing again. Alright, so I'm enough to stream today. Bombard! Where my bullet them a go? Look at this man, what you think on the stream? Where did my bullets go? Yeah man, them literally not... Yo, where my bullet them go? Ah, come on man. Yes? No, you're not supposed to. You're not supposed
You can't talk in a game chat with them.
Alright, we'll switch over. Alright, hold on, let me switch over. Hold on.
Killer, you then up and leave. We never had the man leave you.
I know, but disconnect him, man.
Oh.
That's in there, then.
You can't talk in a game chat.
Oh.
Why you not get it? No. That play the cup.
Yeah man, you can join up after that, man.
You can join up after?
Yeah, after me cut him can join up, cause like I got to go. For now.
YouTube because you can't say that Jim by man on stream here.
Excuse me.
Oh, yeah, me a streaming, so try to keep it PG. If not, me I just go to game chat push part. Me do in there by myself, so I can't talk with no person. Eh? Oh, are you there watch your stream? How much people are watching? Nobody now really watch it now because YouTube notifications them barely at work. Alright, let's go there. Alright, Ryan there. Why page is it? A net cut our JPS. Yes, I net cut our JPS a while ago.
Yeah?
Me there, man. I lag like whoa.
There, man. I mistake, make you leave, man.
I may tell him, man. Just seem unlike you if you just get up on. Me bombard him. Which side are they?
Yo, I'm gonna reach over there, you know.
Yeah, no, come. No, stop.
Shut up, man. Shut up. Just shut up, man. Alone.
What them there, man? Not for long.
You have gun?
Me I want sniper.
That alone?
I want AR.
This one, brother. In the northwest.
Oh, you see me, man.
Yo, come on, be a small thing,
Alright, have that, man.
What him?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, them are pushing.
Me not know, man.
Yeah, man.
Knock one. Monster here.
Yeah, man. Bomber, it's another set. It's another set of man to bomber. What on big sergeant? Up. Yeah, man, and them teammates, yes. My name so come. Yeah, man. Yo, you can join up after this, you know, cause I cut me out for cutting now, you know.
No, Jimbo, something there, Jimbo next.
Oh. Yeah, we did a while ago. Why me can't go Classic Creator Studio? Yo. My me not know. I don't have no net, boy. Me not have no net. Huh? What's so patient, yo? That's what's so patient.
You can't shut up.
Me soon start up back when me soon finish the best of Jamaica tournament and start up a new tournament. We'll start up a team. Back on the Fortnite. For now, for a little bit. Also people, do not forget to check out the clan page. And Hems, if you get time, you comment in our chat so people can find your page too. Hems is a 876 clan member as well. So check out Hems page. Hems the 1v1 and all them something there. So if you don't want to. No man, we not accept no more members now, but at whenever the time comes to accept members, you would have to 1v1. Yeah, man. Him saying don't want to come in a clan, but more 1v1, yeah. Yeah, man. Bulls that say you're a gatekeeper, man, and the man want to join the clan, man, them have to 1v1 you and prove them work.
So I 1v1 of one.
Mirror, yo, man, like your first.
More your whole clan member, they want to watch me 1v1 here.
Yeah, nothing wrong, man. Then, just to make you know, you know, we don't tout Hems as being the greatest in the world, you know, we just tout him as being a very good clan.
Oh, yeah, I know. As the gatekeeper, so I'm pulling the gate.
I'm a bullet them I go.
The one creative, I watch me a 1v1 Hems.
Hems, you have to run up on with it.
Just kill a squad.
Just kill a squad? Yeah. How much? 4 kills? Alright, nice. One more. One more is a point.
Yeah, man, cause like my bullets them just never did go nowhere a while ago. Last man, alright. Me interested, yo, I go and Chopper Smith. Me there on a short stream youth. Just to make you know the last man was overhype himself, you know, man, a pickaxe to death and then him cut out a lobby, you know. Now say it will happen to you still. Just I say the last man The last man run off him out times in the wickedest way. Pickaxe to death. Man bend and cut out a lobby. So where the pan Chopper Smith? Oh no? Yo, watch out now, me tell him. Yo, me not over myself to go embarrass myself. Yeah?
No, regular him scrap me, but from the door there, me I want package. Regular him scrap me,
which is understandable. But what me I check?
I'm not good enough, I know I'm not good enough.
Can't tell you this. I am not a gamer, yeah? I am not a gamer, I am an entertainer. Right? I just need to get some internet on my yard and kind of work back in a little entertainment vibes, you see me? And then yeah, start get some nice hot fresh stream. Me tell you, say a free liquor and ladies 3 for 1, you know, man. That's why when I tell you, if I come in there, I see him, I tell him, say, yo, I don't think I can manage a party, you know, you have too much people in our party there. You see me? Or make it private or so. Alright, good vibes, yeah.
If a million people could have won in a party, what shall stand to me?
Alright, me see what I go on in the chat. Now up top in the bullseye. When I use the camera now, ping too high. How much you say I have? Shares I only have 9. Up top bulls, welcome. See, me just a stream, me just a do a short stream still. I actually have one video for put out and thing. But like, me busy. I have so much things I deal with now. There's a video on the 876 clan. It will be, you will see it at about 8:30 tonight. You will see that the video there. So people, because YouTube notifications not working, I have to be doing it this way. At approximately 8:30 tonight, Jamaican time, you guys will see a new video on the 876 clan page. Right? Ocha, we can move. Right? So, yeah. Yeah, me realize. Oh, you sound so low all of a sudden. No, I will party so low. Alright, nice. Alright, Romy, let's get this. Yeah, man. As me I send out people. Alright, nice. Romy, learn his style, man. Single file and move. As I was saying now, people, before, Bomba 1100 ping. No, sir. No, youth. 1100 ping. No, youth. Bomba, me not. Yo, people are over modern house, you know. Yeah. No, don't walk out tonight. Don't. Sorry, youth.
Yeah.
Me bomba, tell me one left. Me I tell you. No, Atumbo. No, Atumbo.
Dog, you're down, you know, wait a couple minutes.
So me realize.
Yo,
It's
SMG there, brother.
See a big shooter too.
Uncle, stop. See gold SMG there, brother.
Me I say the man I put left wall of them loot there.
YouTube because they ever find a sniper and every match you play now. I swear.
I want my blessing, man.
Okay.
Okay.
You SMG.
You trying the P90? How many left you?
One gold one, sir.
No, you can't rip and take it out.
Yeah, me know it's there, man. Come match, man. Oh, Jesus. Let me say no, my boss. I'm not promoter at all. No, watch it now. I'm a part of Vision Gaming. Oh, alright. Mask Assassin. Alright, respect for passing through, you know, and yeah, even though Vision Gaming is one of the friendly rival clan them, then me respect them same way. I saw you that part. Why me feel?
Man, a beat car for you, brother.
Yeah, exactly.
What? Freeze car?
But I have foolish from getting a king of cameras of fire and I'm going to black bill.
Are you going to do a pistols? We need to try kill the man. Or you wait and
yeah, man. Oh, as me just say, brother, what going on, man? Welcome to the stream, brother. As me just say, Mask Assassin, see? If you type anything about channel or promote in the chat, YouTube will go automatically mark it as spam, you understand? So even if you not promote your channel, YouTube will go consider it as being promoting. You see me? That's it. But as me say, once you link me up and you say, hey, if you can do so, me say, yeah man, you can do that, you see me? Because I'm all about promoting, I'm all about growth, you see me? But if somebody just type it in the chat, as me say, me I try to not make it a habit, you understand? So as people not do it on a regular. Oh man?
Yeah.
No man. You know book right up, you know?
SMG there, the NAL
loadout? No, because they didn't see it. Me tell you, me have Scar shotgun hunting rifle SMG. Well, Scar to shotgun, right? And then now me have the grenade in the middle. And then me have
the Scar to shotgun. Scar go with SMG, brother. Shotgun first, then SMG, then Scar.
22 people left. Yo, somebody kill me and me kill you, know, man. That's how it's going on. Bad enough, pass.
You want to kill a man and a man kill his everything.
Hold on there. I like get a phone call.
Someone lucky?
Yo, Chubby. Me there, I know better. Right, I know no trouble. Remember, I wait till back a mountain again, you know. Yeah, man, I say a word, man. Alright, come on. Life of a working man. Yeah, man. But as me say, yeah, man, feel free to pass through stream anytime I feel like, man. Wait, a 5 building max out. Why this bill over me? Why this bill over me?
Okay, no good thing. You know, they shouldn't move off a mountain, it's like when you ping no good. Just use wait with the earth.
You can stay up on mountain, see me, man, go in a zone. So I make it, you can breathe for the grenade.
Yeah, man. No, I'm done.
Don't go in right now. Go in right.
Shouldn't do that, you know. I did give it that. Alright, me check up on the chat for now. Yeah man, as me I say brother, me have no problem a promoter, me ping the 90 now, not too bad. Me have no problem with the promoting thing, you see me? And as me say, occasionally me do free agencies when me do promotion for people. And me do Fortnite list. Matter of fact, Massacre, we have a clan, me go subscribe to your chat, 26, alright, good vibes. No subscribe to your channel, you know. We have... Yeah man, no man, me 33 seconds, man, kinda good. Yeah man. No man, me not really a kind of player this still. Plus remember some one got me out you know man.
How are you?
Work me there.
You say game got hurt, brother?
Yeah. I get more and get net on me. I net more and get on me yard, but flow.
Yo, dress back. You could have dressed back and stay son brother. Right so. Yo.
Flow. This is enough. This is me
yeah man. Which one is that? The mellow.
Marshmallow.
The free away name. No name the
It's no passing.
Wait, the one where you get it for complete the 9 to eat.
Yeah.
Alright, watch out now. Me officially, me say this straight now. See? Flo, I am officially sending out this message to Uno. All of Jamaica are bush. Stop from segment Jamaica in a city and bush. And prioritize city over bush. Right? Me no shame to say a bush me live. Me need internet. The internet the down the road and me can't get it. Because down the road I in a town, I'm in the town, me in the bush. Right? Me not understand why is it that me live in a one community with how much hundreds of people and me can't get internet and them can't get internet. And we are petition to get internet for years. We ask people, we talk, how much people agree and sign and sit and we still can't get internet. Flo, what is the problem? Let me know. See? We don't need to capitalize on the fact say digital modem them now work again. Box cover man a snipe after them.
Wait, digital modem stop work?
Yeah man.
No, them stop selling.
Them stop where man?
You can buy the way name them.
Digital modem they now work again.
And the Wi-Fi.
That yeah, I'm live right now. That a play go. So don't give out none of the personal information. You go? Yeah, if me get sniping. Me bombard. Oh man. Oh youth. Gold balloon kill me. Gold balloon kill me. Yo, Johnny Sammy, have fun. One on him. Big up on the dirty self, yeah? Alright, this for me. See? But as me I say, yo, me can't understand why is it that's all of Jamaica is basically Jamaica have two cities. Two cities alone Jamaica have. A majority of Jamaica is a rural area. Why is it so hard to get internet and the internet just down the road? Yeah man, take care of yourself. Yeah man, take care of yourself, brother. See? So alright, so Mask Assassin, that hot chat, why pray? Wagwan, welcome to the stream. We're about to end the stream right now. People, 830 876 clan page. It's 876 PS clan. You go there, you'll see logo. From the city editing style, you know, say me, right? Check it out. There's gonna be a new video there for you guys to watch and enjoy. Right? Alright, thank you guys for your time, patience, and all of the respect and support where you show people. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified every single time I drop a video or go live, people. The triple storm over there, me, the Drizzy, the gatekeeper hymns. See? We're gonna Tumbos.